Alright, this is exercise video number 15, and for my exercise today, I ran 8 miles outside with a pace of 11 minutes. And during this exercise, I started out pretty slow, just kind of like a little jog, and then I slowly moved my way up to actually running and speeding up and going uphill. But in the first half of the run, I tried to keep it either like flat ground or going downhill. And what I was doing is recruiting those small motor units and then working my way up to those large motor units. And I did that to prevent fatigue. And so by recruiting those small motor units, which are more oxidative phosphorylation based, I kept myself from depleting those glycogen stores quickly before I actually increased the intensity in that exercise. So I was able to spare my glycogen for whenever I actually needed it during my run. And so in the beginning of my run, I was using more slow twitch fibers, the more oxidative phosphorylation fibers, and then I moved up to the more glycolytic fibers. And so during that run, I didn't get very fatigued until about the very end, like that last mile. I started to get really fatigued and I felt like I couldn't run anymore. And that's because I was speeding up, and that was the fastest that I had gone during that run. And so I was depleting my glycogen stores and getting a buildup of lactate and hydrogen in my muscles, and that hydrogen was causing a burn in my muscles that caused fatigue. And the buildup of hydrogen ions, it binds to troponin and outbeats calcium binding to troponin so that your muscle contraction can't occur. And that is what causes fatigue. And also the buildup of inorganic phosphate from breaking down ATP in the PCR system.